Welcome back. This is I've got the battery charger all hooked up. We've got the laptop. I moved it over with using Windows magnifying to so you can read the current. It's not, the charger's not on right now, so this is bogus. This is the pack voltage. I've got my current meter over here, and we're going to plug it in, and we're going to hope that when this reads 5 amps, this shows 5 amps. So here we go. So we're up and running, and we got 5.3 amps and 5.5 amps. Close enough. This meter, again, not the greatest if you, ballpark figure, but we're supposed to be putting out 5 amps. We're putting out 5 amps. Before we were only putting out 2.5 amps. So changing out that capacitor board definitely fixed that problem. And then our other issue we had was that the voltage was originally off, so we can move that over to the voltage. And if you look, 163.7, 163.4, I'd say that's pretty close. So we definitely had some voltage spiking going on. I was going out to the battery pack, or being monitored, or the feedback circuit was seeing those spikes and was causing the voltage reading to be off. That typically happens when you replace the cat board. Your voltage starts magically working like it should. If for some reason, it's an easy way to check. If you've got a battery charger, you can put, if you don't have one of these clamp meters, and just check if your voltage is off by a lot, then more than if it's out by more than a volt, I would consider that off. Now we are off by what, let's see, 0.5 of a volt. If we really wanted to, we could adjust that in to get it perfect. The resistor, it's these two resistors right here will control that. I think it'd be a little, I think we're probably okay. I wouldn't expect it to be like perfectly dead on, but this is pretty close. It's closer than I didn't expect it to be that close, actually. They're usually within a volt, which is pretty good for what it's doing. I mean, if you want to actually know the voltage, you could go measure it at the pack, and you're going to have the resistance in the wires and everything, so it's going to be slightly different. But I'd say that's good enough. I'd say that this is now fixed, and go ahead and box it up and pack it up and ship it out and get the next thing on the bench. But looks good.